Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a Mardi Gras type color scheme. So purple and greens for the most part. Um, already poured my base down. Um, this is actually a fresh batch of paint, so hopefully air bubbles won't be a problem. But anyways, purple. This is a ColourArte pigment. Don't remember the name of it, but it does have a very pretty glittery type when it does dry. That's just like emerald green. So basically, I'm trying to just layer it up, give a little bit better cells, hopefully. Um, so hopefully everybody's doing good. So this, obviously I'm still swiping, but basically with the swipes, I put my cell activator on my tool. What you don't see is I am wiping it off each time and making sure I don't have any extra paint from the base on it, and I'm reapplying the cell activator. So, and on this, after I'm done swiping, you gotta make sure you do cover the edges, otherwise it will not flow off evenly. So there is that. Also, I probably could have put a little extra more paint on there, just sort of it'd be vibrant colors on the whole tile. Again, this is a 6x6, I believe, tile. So the one in the corner that you don't really see, that was actually something bigger. Like I think 8x8. I'm trying to gradually move up to bigger canvases, but this technique can be a bit of a pain. So anyway, so I'm going to try to swipe that little piece down there at the corner, although it's probably not going to make a difference just because it's going to get spun off, but I'm going to do it anyway. So another tidbit, I do enjoy the spinner a lot more than tilting, that is for sure. I get a lot better results with the spinner than I do tilting, so I'm sold on the spinner, but I need a better one because as you can tell, mine has like it sinks in, so all my paint fills up the bottom of it, and basically it just looks like a big old puddle when you try to pry out the tile. So I'll get you down for a closer look in here in just a second. I think it looks wonderful. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks again. Take care.